Say goodbye to pain in the spine, back and legs with this natural remedy. Pain in the spine, back and leg often comes during a long session or extreme physical activity. There is a very natural solution to your problems, so you should stop worrying. The good news is that if you begin to ingest this remedy, you will begin to feel positive changes in the first few days. But if you continue to consume it, you will recover fully in not less than 2 months. Older people are more likely to have these lower back pains due to the loss of elasticity of the soft tissues surrounding the spine. There are many different pills, supplements and other substances that can help relieve pain. However, many people choose not to treat conventional medicines to treat the pain of these joints that contain ingredients and chemicals that are often harmful to another part of our body with its side effects. If you want to forget these pains, all you need is to consume these fruits every night for about 2 months. 1. 1 dried fig. 2. 1 dried apricot. 3. 5 prunes. These fruits contain substances that induce the regeneration of tissues. This is responsible for putting the intervertebral discs together. Each fruit contains certain elements and substances, and their interference offers an excellent cure, which is extremely effective against pain in the spine. Try this remedy, you will not regret it. If you have had pain for 6 months or more, it may be chronic pain. Talk to your doctor for more.